What is a good strategy to get feedback and reviews on our sales from our customers?
That's a great question. And here's what I would say. The very first thing that I would do to start getting those coming in is I would manually go in and I would message those customers. And not just to ask them for a review, but to show them that my customer service is there and I care. And I would also remind them that I'm a small business and that your feedback helps me, number one, help you with products and my customer service, but also it helps me reach more people and be able to help more people that potentially wouldn't buy from me because of the feedback that you're about to give. So again, I would word it differently, but that goes a long way. And I know that as you grow, that would be hard to do. That's where automation comes in. And the automation would be, well, Aweber connects right now through Etsy. So you can connect that and you can send an automated message or two or three on the back end of a sale. So if someone, buys something, you can follow up with that person and you can say, hey, thank you so much for ordering. You can't wait for you to get the item. If you have any questions in the meantime, let me know. So again, it's just being there is huge, and that people will want to leave feedback just on that note. And then the second thing is after they get the product, you're going to follow up and go, hey, notice that you got your product. I just want to make sure that everything was all right. If not, let me know. I want to make it right. And also, can you do me a quick favor? If you did have a 5-star experience, could you leave me some feedback and leave me a review? I would really love that. It would help me as a small business owner. And that's it, right? Like just do stuff like that. And that is going to go a long way. Now, if you do get a 3-star or a 2-star or whatever, don't give up on them. Okay. My wife has done this so many times that there might be a 3-star or a 4-star, not because of what she did, but because of the shipper, right? The pod company. And so my wife would reach out and say, hey, I apologize for this inconvenience. Unfortunately, it's out of my hands because it's my manufacturer. But what I'd like to do is I would like to send you another one at no cost, or I would like to give you a 50% off discount because I know that this can be frustrating and I want to show you that I want to do everything I can to make you happy. And that's it. And then wait for them to contact you back, say, yes, that would be awesome. I really appreciate that. Thank you so much. And then you would follow up and go, awesome. And after you get this one, if you could do me a huge favor, if you could update your feedback, if you think that the service was deserving of that, that would be amazing. And that's it. And it's been working. I can't believe how many my wife will get from something like that and get that thing brought right to a 5-star. Makes a huge difference. So that's what I would say there. That's a big one. And it is really important because we all know that reviews help people make a buying decision.